Hey, you guys! It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Happy Halloween! We made it. We made it. Here it is. It is the day. And what I got for you today is... It's not actually Halloween today when I'm filming this, but it's going to be Halloween when you're watching it. Because I did get a costume, or I pieced together a costume from Temu items, and I thought we would open it and look at it together and maybe try some of the stuff on and see if it's going to work for what I have been trying to do. I got all of these things on Temu for $8. Yes, I'm talking an $8 Halloween costume. That was because I had like a $3 credit. So it's really like a $12 costume, but I had a $3 credit. I only paid $8 for all of this stuff. And what I did is piece together kind of a makeshift Medusa costume to wear to work and a Halloween party that we're going to tonight, being Halloween night. So we're going to open up this stuff and see what it looks like and if it's going to work as a Halloween costume. Again, I just pieced this together. This was not anything that was like a full Medusa costume set thing. But always as fun in Temu videos, we're going to just like open up the stuff, check it out. I'm going to try it on and we're going to see if it works. So let's jump in to this fiasco and see how this turns out. Okay, so the first thing that I did get was a dress. Now, I'm kind of going for like the gray kind of scheme here, gray and silver. So I wanted to get a dress that was kind of low-ish cut because I got a snake necklace to wear with it. This was only like $6 or something like that. So this is supposed to be a long sleeve, long cut sweater dress. I think I ordered it in a large, and I believe I ordered a top in this same kind of fabric before, but yeah, now that I'm opening it. So here it is. It's just a gray sweater dress. So it's kind of cut like right underneath the boobs, and then it's fitted all the way down, and it's got like a slit up there. So yeah, this is going to be the first part of my costume. So let's go ahead and just, okay. Hopefully that worked out. I don't know. So dress is actually, it's actually a pretty thick material. And it definitely is, I can make this extremely low cut if I want. Probably gonna wear it up like this for work. But yeah, it's definitely form-fitting. I do have a shaper on underneath this. Can't really get like a full vision here, but it is like a really cute dress. So yeah, I mean, for $6, it's really cute, I think. Let's see how it's going to work with some of the other elements that I got for the costume. So the next thing that I did get was a wig. So this is kind of like an ombre dark root to silver wig. I'm really nervous about this one, guys. This was like, I think, an $8 wig or something like that. And I have not opened it yet. So we're going to get a first look. So that's how it came. It is in kind of a hairnet-ish package. Oh, it's very long. Oh, these always scare me because, you know, so delicate, so delicate. It looks really pretty. There's a little, I don't know what this is, like sort of a tag. So let's check the inside here. It does look like it's netted, and then it has the fastening strap there in the back. Looks pretty good so far. I usually like to like comb these out. So we want to try this on, right? We want to see how it looks. So what I'm going to have to do is put my hair back. Oh, this is going to look so lovely for 2 seconds here. So what I usually do is pull my hair back into like a tiny bun in the back. I'm just rushing through this right now because we just want to try this all on and see what kind of look we're gonna get. So I do have like my little wig cap here, and I'm gonna put that on. I know I'm looking so hot right now, but these are like necessity if you want to like put a wig on. And then I usually just like tuck my bun underneath. Okay, so once we put the wig on, we'll see where the hairline has to be up here. So here we go. We got the wig cap on. I usually take it from the back, line up the back, and then, oh, it's already in my mouth. Pull forward. Let's see, what do we got here? Woo, okay. It's very full. Let me grab the two straps in the back here if I can find. I got one. Oh, I found it. I found it. Okay. So then you just snap these two back in the back, and then this is kind of like holding it on for the day. Okay. What do we think? Let me get my... Do we think the part is supposed to be in the middle or on the side? What if I turned it that way a little? Oh, there is fake hair just going all in my mouth. This is probably like on par with like what you would get in like a costume store, like a Spirit or whatever. I will probably get some clips and clip this out of my way just because like at work and stuff, it's going to be like a lot just to like have it in my face all the time. But it is pretty long. It's actually like not too bad. It is getting like this front area is getting like all in my mouth. So I am probably going to go buy some clips to clip this kind of back so it looks more like this, you know? But not too mad at it. It's pretty cute for like a Temu wig, you know? I've got some little clips right here, but I'm going to go get some like, I don't know, black or silver ones so that it's like a little bit more kind of going with the outfit. Okay, so that's going to be better. You get the idea. Okay, so here is the wig. So this was like $2. This is like a bendable silver snake necklace. So, oh, I've got hair all in here. That's nice. So here's the tail, and then here is the head of the snake. And so what I thought, this is going to be really hard with this wig on. I probably should have done this one first. This wig is like really long and I've got hairs everywhere. There is definitely going to have to be some like hairspray and finessing with this wig because I have hair like everywhere. Okay, so what I thought was I would take the head of the snake kind of like in a choker position. And see, this is like a really moldable necklace. And then I would put the tail down like that. There you go. Okay. So, got little snake necklace here. Got my long gray hair. Let's go ahead and take these out to like, definitely gonna need to have this like zhuzhed a little bit because it's everywhere. This is looking like cute so far. The final thing that I have for this costume in particular is a headband of snakes. So I think this was like $2 or something. Let me see if I can pull some of it back with this. Okay. So there you go. Now, obviously, I don't have my makeup done or anything for this particular costume, but I mean, it's giving. It's giving Halloween for sure. I don't know if it's giving Medusa necessarily, maybe like a version of Medusa, but I'm probably going to like, oh God, there's hair in my face everywhere. I'm probably going to do like a gray and black eye and like some gray contour to try and like make it a little bit more stone-like. But, you know, it's not too bad. It's not terrible. Now see, this is probably... Sorry, guys. This is probably how I'm going to wear it out to the dance party. But, I mean, I don't think it's, like, that bad. It is, like, sort of Medusa-y, I think. The wig is a lot. I am definitely going to have to, like, style it a little. But, I mean, it's not too much that I don't think that I could get through the day with it. What do you guys think for $8? Do you think that this is, like, a pretty decent costume for $8 on Temu? I'm not, like, completely mad at it. I don't know if it's giving Medusa or if it's giving, like, Woodland Queen, Ice Queen, or something. I'm not exactly sure. But, yeah, not too terrible, I don't think. I'll have to maybe post on my community page, like, what it will look like full with the makeup on and everything. But, again, $8, I'm participating, having a good time. It's not that bad. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Short and sweet for y'all on this Halloween day. Hope you liked seeing what I got in Temu for a makeshift Medusa costume. I tried my best, and this is what I came up with. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on what you thought, if you like the wig, if you like the necklace, all of it together, that would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye!
Sorry ass DJ.